But we're glad the Americans are back again. Last 2 years, Amsterdam was very.
But yeah, that is a beautiful boathouse.
Yeah. Look, things like this we call floating houses.
Yeah.
This is a houseboat. A houseboat is a real ship converted.
Yeah.
The floating house, we will see more of them, are floating pontoons of concrete.
Yeah.
It's like an apartment on the water.
Yeah, so they're not real boats.
No real boats. But
These you can sail.
This is a converted old freight ship, eh?
Yeah.
Now it's a house in the canal, that's not allowed.
That's not a
That's the float. A lot of the houseboats are brought into Amsterdam by the hippie people, by the hippies.
Yeah,
Because-
the hippies.
Because it was cheap.
Were the hippies from America or from the Dutch people?
Mostly from the Dutch, but also from the rest of Europe, some Americans.
Yeah, not that many
It
Americans.
was the 1960s, 1970s. Eh?
Yeah.
So on the left, if you see buildings like that with the wooden shutters, in the old days it was a warehouse for storage.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So the freight ship was here in the canal and the stock was unloaded in buildings like that. Now they're transformed into apartments also. To drink, let me know. Eh?
I got you, man.
You're more a smoker, eh?
Yeah, I'm more of a smoker, but I think for me it's honestly it's just the taste, you know. Like I don't mind drinking some really nice cocktails or whatever, but for me it's hard to find one that I like, you know. And honestly, I don't like getting drunk, you know. I've never had a hangover because I just drink a lot of water. I try and stay healthy, you know. And like marijuana, I wake up the next day, I feel fine. Like sometimes when I drink too much, I won't have a hangover, but I'll feel sick to my stomach, you know.
You have to be stoned to do that because
It's easy to go out and drink.
people around you stimulate you to do
Yeah, all the time they want to go out, they want to drink, they want to party all the time, and yeah, I see it. It's very beautiful.
it. Still standing.
That is a great builder.
But I told you most of the houses are from that period. Eh?
Yeah.
In Amsterdam, average house is 250,000 euro to do that job.
Holy moly. So yeah, I mean, that is not poor man's job at all.
No, but you know the area I show you is not for the poor people.
Yeah, these are all $1 million houses, right?
Yeah, if you live here, you have a canal view on the big canals, you have to pay. On the right, talking about leaning houses, those houses are falling forward. You see that? On the right.
Yeah, I see that.
A little more to the right. It's more extreme. You see?
Yeah, I see it. It's literally falling forward.
And you
It's
see
leaning.
the yellow building also. Eh?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like that's honestly, it's amazing to see that. Like it's still standing, even though it's leaning forward. It's like the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Look, here are the houses built in the canal. You see that?
Yeah, it's the same height. They could go fishing from their living room.
They can.
Is there
So
fish?
these big canals we mentioned.
Holy moly!
Huge, eh?
No joke.